if I wanted to make your own liveries in Roblox. Well, it's free, pretty easy for bosses. So here we have a bus, and as you can see, I have a livery on it. These are some of the colour liveries. If you don't know how to use Blender, these are the ones for you. So let's get started. So first, you don't need to ungroup anything. I've already done the livery on this one, so I'm going to get a fresh one in for you. No, it wasn't. Hold on. Let's go back to Project 7 and just go on your body. I think it's down here somewhere. So this is Project 7. And for each step, we're gonna use one. I'm so sorry this is taking so long. Not the dart. Alright, okay. Okay. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to go into Main, and you're going to find the body. You're now going to right click and click on Export Selection. And then what you want, and I'm going to save it to my downloads folder, so I know I've got it today. And then you should see body1_diff.png. Just wait for that to load. Okay, so now you have it. So if I just find the old one. Never mind, I forgot. I don't know how I did that. Let me just check out where I put it in this one. Okay, so I coloured the background. Probably wasn't a good idea because I'm pretty sure I know where to colour it. I believe it's that. So now we're going to load up paint. So we're going to press on open. And then press on browse files. body1_diff. I have the wrong one. What happened to the old one? Done it. Should I go right there? Yep. load up your desired paint app. I'm going to use Paint 3D. I forgot where I should colour it, but you know, we'll find out in a sec. Again, this is if you don't know how to use Blender. If you know how to use Blender, then yeah, go ahead and use Blender. This is your solid colour liveries, so you can't do like all magic stuff that you normally see. Change this to your desired colour. I do believe that is all. So now all we got to do is we got to press on the menu button. We're going to press save. And then we're going to go into our body, texture ID. Should pop up with this, press add image, choose file, body 1 diff. You should colour it on the channel. There you go. So there's the rest. All done, all looking good. And now you can use that in your video. Happy developing. Have a nice day.